told you that in 2026 you don't need a degree, expensive equipment, or even years of experience to start making money online. You just need AI. From writing content to designing graphics and even building side hustles, AI tools are helping complete beginners earn real income. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how you can start, step by step. AI is not the future anymore. It's happening right now. The people who learn how to use it today will be ahead tomorrow. So let's break down 3 realistic ways you can start making money with AI even if you're a beginner. Businesses need content. Blogs, captions, emails, scripts, product descriptions. Most small businesses don't have time to write. You can use AI tools to write blog posts, create Instagram captions, generate YouTube scripts, write product descriptions, then offer your service on freelance platforms, social media, or directly to small businesses. You don't need to be a professional writer. You just need to know how to guide AI properly. This is powerful. You can use AI to generate scripts, use AI voiceover tools, use stock footage or AI visuals, edit with simple apps, create faceless YouTube channels, and finance motivation, tech, AI news. You earn from YouTube ads, affiliate links, digital products. One viral video can change everything. This is one of the easiest. Use AI to create budget planners, ebooks, study guides, business templates. Sell them on Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. Once created, they sell again and again. That's passive income to people see AI. One says AI will take jobs. The other says AI will create opportunities. Guess who wins in 5 years? The difference isn't intelligence, it's action. AI will not magically make you rich, but if you learn one skill, stay consistent, and take action daily, you can build a real online income. Start small, stay consistent, prove weekly. If you want more simple, beginner-friendly ways to make money online with AI and smart financial tips, subscribe to this channel and comment below AI if you're ready to start. Let's build smarter income together.